Hello everyone, today we learn about the dashboard of the TailorBook app. When you open the TailorBook app, you can see this type of screen of the dashboard. First of all, you can see in the top three parallel lines. When you click on it, you got the menus of the TailorBook app like home, add, client, dashboard, and many more options are there. Then the search bar. By using this search bar, you can search our orders, our customer detail by entering their name, their customer ID. Then you can see the bell icon. This bell icon is our notification center. In this notification center, we have the information about our orders detail, like our order ready for the delivery or something. Now you can sort this notification by the newest order first, or oldest order first by name and by date. Now you see in the these orders are the pending state. What is the state of pendings when the order are incomplete? The complete state when the order are completed, and then in the delivery state, the orders are ready for the deliver or delivered to the customer. You can see the complete state dashboard. You can see the delivery state dashboard like this. Okay, now you see the in bottom plus icon. When you click it, three options raises. First one, report forecasting, or you can say the order forecasting. In this option, you can see are the reminder orders, our trial orders, and our delivery orders details. Now the second option is worker management. When you click on it, you got the full information about worker, their outfits, their pending work, their complete work, their working status, their ID, everything. You got the assigned work information by this. Then the third one option is custom invoice. You can create the invoice, bu- custom invoice by this option. You can see the two more options in there. All invoices, those in this screen, the all of orders you created are there, and the order invoice you are already created invoice are there. There is two amount is left, and this plus icon on the right hand side, it's for the create new orders. These are the options are available on this TailorBook app dashboard. Thank you so much for watching.